Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Sir's Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 7.3 part 1. First of all I will teach you the basic things of this exercise. Then we will start the question from the exercise. Okay. We will learn two different formula in this exercise which is very much useful and important formula for you. The first formula will be used to find the area of a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle ABC and the coordinates of the triangle we will take as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So these are the three vertices of the triangle which we have taken. The area of the triangle is very easy. Area is half into x1 into y2 minus y3, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 whole bracket. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the area of any triangle. Okay, if three vertices of the triangle is given, you can use this formula to calculate the area of triangle, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and everything will be inside a bracket. Outside half we have to write. We have to multiply half with the whole term. Okay, it is very easy to remember the formula. You can see that the first term is x and the rest of the two terms is y. Again first term is x, then again two terms are y. Third term is x, again two terms are y. Here you can write 1 2 3, then 2 3 1, then 3 2 3 1 2. Okay, more very important formula is there, that is collinearity formula. Okay, collinearity formula. As I told you, collinear means 3 points will lie in a straight line. Okay, these 3 points will lie in a straight line, then we will say that A, B, C are collinear. So we will take the coordinates A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2 and C as x3 y3, and the collinear formula is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals to 0. Okay, this is the collinear formula. This is area formula except half. Everything will come for the collinear, but the value of this when we will solve it must be 0. If we are getting both the side LHS and RHS 0, then only we can say that all the 3 points are collinear. If some value we will get here which will be left, suppose 1 2 3 something, which is not equals to 0, then that means all the 3 points are not collinear. How to use the formula I will explain. So we will start the exercise to learn the formula, how to apply it in the proper questions. Okay, in the first question it is given, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2 3 minus 1 0 and 2 minus 4. These are the vertices of a triangle. Okay, suppose this is a triangle ABC. A is 2 3, B is minus 1 comma 0 and C is 2 comma minus 4. These are the vertices of the triangle. We will take first one as x1 y1, second as x2 y2 and the third as x3 y3. Okay, so these are the three vertices of the triangle. Now we will write the formula. Formula is area equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 square bracket. All the terms will be inside. Okay, now we have to substitute the values in the proper places. So half x1 is 2, y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus 4. Write it inside the bracket, plus x2 is minus 1, y3 is minus 4 and y1 is 3 plus x3 is 2, y1 is 3 and y2 is 0. Write everything inside a curly bracket because already we have used square bracket here. wherever 2 minus signs are given. Now we will open the bracket and multiply. Half 2 0 minus minus plus, 4 plus 0 is 4, bracket, plus minus minus 1, minus minus plus, so minus 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, now we will multiply everything. 2 4 ja 8, minus minus plus, 1 7 ja 7, plus 2 3 ja 6, 1 by 2, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. So the answer for this question is 21 by 2. So the area of triangle ABC is 21 by 2. Okay, 21 by 2 square units. This is the area of the triangle. Next bit. In the second bit, vertices are given. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Vertices are minus 5 minus 1, 3 comma minus 5, 5 comma 2. Suppose these are the three vertices. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Now we'll use the formula area of triangle half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area formula. Okay, substitute the values here. X1 is minus 5, right inside bracket. Y2 minus y3 is minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 is 2, 2 minus minus 1 inside the bracket plus x3 is 5 minus 1 minus minus 5. Write it inside the curly bracket. Okay, now open the bracket. Minus 5 will be as it is, minus minus plus, so minus 7 we will get, plus 3, 2 minus minus plus, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 5, minus minus is plus, so plus 5 minus 1 is 4 inside bracket. Now open the bracket and multiply everything. Minus minus plus, 5 7s are 35, plus 9 plus 20 equals to 1 by 2. 35 plus 9 is 44, 44 plus 20 is 64. When we will cancel it, we will get 32. So area of triangle ABC is 32 square units. So in this way, by using the formula and substituting the value, you can get the area of any triangle if all the three vertices are given. Okay, next question. Now question number 2. In question number 2, it is given in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Okay, we have to find the value of k for which these points are collinear. So first of all, we will write their coordinates: x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. Okay, so these are the coordinates we have marked. Now we will use the collinearity formula. Collinearity formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. What is x1? x1 is 7, y2 is 1, 1 minus k, plus x2 is 5, y3 is k minus minus 2, plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now open the bracket and multiply. 7 1s are 7 minus 7k plus 5 into k, 5k, minus minus plus, so 2 we will get, 5 2s are 10, plus 10, minus minus plus, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 3 into minus 3 equals to 0. Now arrange both the k together. Minus 7k plus 5k plus 7 plus 10 minus plus minus 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Minus plus minus, 7 minus 5 is 2k minus 2k, 7 plus 10 is 17 minus 9 equals to 0. Minus 2k plus minus minus, 17 minus 9 is 8. So plus 8 equals to 0. Now take minus plus 8 that side. Minus 2k equals to minus 8. Divide minus 2 here. K equals to minus 8 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So the value of k is 4. Okay. So whenever in any question it has given collinear, the points are collinear. Use collinear formula to find the value of k. Okay. To find the value of k. It is very easy to use the collinear formula and solve the question. Next question. Now second bit. In the second bit 3 coordinates are given and we have to find the value of k by using the formula of collinearity. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this point we will take as x3 y3. We will use the collinearity formula, that is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. Now we will substitute the value. X1 is 8, y2 is minus 4 minus minus 5 plus x2 is k, y3 is minus 5 minus 1 y1 plus x3 2 y1 1 minus minus 4 inside the bracket. Now 8 will be as it is, minus 4 minus minus plus 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 1 plus k minus minus plus, so minus 6 plus 2 1 minus minus is plus, 1 plus 4 is 5 equals to 0. Now multiply, 8 ones are 8 minus 6k, 2 5s are 10 equals to 0. Bring minus 6k this side because this is in negative sign. So 8 plus 10 equals to 6k. We will get 8 plus 10 is 18 equals to 6k. Divide 6 here. K equals to 18 by 6 equals to 3. So the value of k we got 3. Okay. So in this way we can find the value of k by using the collinearity formula. Now question number 3. In question number 3 it is given, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are these. Find the ratio this area to the area of given triangle. Okay. So we have to find out the area of a triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints. Okay. If I will mark 3 midpoints on all the 3 sides, then maybe the midpoint will come here. Okay. So I will name it as D. This one I will name it as E. And this one I will name it as F. So suppose these are the 3 midpoints, and when we will join them, we will get a triangle. And we have to find out the area of this triangle. Getting? It is given in the question that we have to find out the area of a triangle joining the midpoints of the side. We have joined the midpoints of the sides so that we will get a triangle, and we have to find out the area of this triangle. Okay. So first of all we will find out the vertices of these 3 points, then only we can use the area formula. So I will mark this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, and this one as x3 y3. Okay. So we have to find out the coordinate of D as midpoint of AB is D. The midpoint of AB is D. Formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Suppose this is x comma y. So x equals to x1 is 0, x2 is 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. Y1 is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So x equals to 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2 1. Okay. And y is minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0. So the coordinates of D are 1 comma 0. Okay. Similarly we have to find out the coordinate of E, since E is the midpoint of BC. X equals to x2 plus x3 by 2 and y equals to y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, as we were writing the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, because these 2 points are x1 and x2, but as these 2 points are x2 and x3, I will just write here x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2 according to midpoint formula. Okay, and this one we will mark as x and y. Substitute the value. X equals to 2 plus 0 by 2 by 2 is 2 by 2, so x equals to 1, and y equals to y2 plus y3, that is 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2 again, so y equals to 2. Okay, so the value of x and y we got 1 and 2. We will substitute here. The coordinate of E is 1 and 2. Now the last coordinate is F, we have to find out. Okay, since F is the midpoint of AC, we will use the midpoint formula and we will represent this as xy. X equals to x1 plus x3 by 2, x1 plus x3 by 2, and y equals to y1 plus y3 by 2. x1 plus x3 means 0 plus 0 by 2, that is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. So the value of x is 0. Now y is minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So the value of y is 1 we have got. Okay, as we got all the three coordinates of the smaller triangle DEF, we can find out the area of this central triangle. Okay, so the vertices of triangle DEF are 1 0, this 1 2 and 0 1. These are the three vertices of triangle DEF. A equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 inside bracket. We will substitute the value. x1 is 1. Here we will write the values x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, x1 is 1, bracket start, 2 minus 1, y2 minus y3 is 2 minus 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 is 1 minus 0 plus x3 is 0, close the bracket. Now half 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 plus 0 into anything is 0. Okay, half 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, no need to write 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, half into 2 is 1 when we will cancel. So the area of triangle DEF is 1 we have got. Okay, now as in the question it was given, find the area of triangle DEF and also find the ratio of area of triangle DEF to the area of original triangle. Okay, the coordinates of triangle ABC are 0 minus 1, 2 1 and 0 3. So this one we are going to take x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, so we will use the area formula to find the area of triangle ABC. Area equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 inside the bracket. Half the value of x1 is 0, y2 minus y3 is 1 minus 3 inside bracket plus x2 is 2, 3 minus 1 plus x3 is 0, y1 minus y2 is minus 1 minus 1, close the bracket. 0 into anything is 0, no need to write, plus 2, 3 minus minus is plus 4 plus 0 into anything is 0. Okay, so we got half 0 plus 2 4 ja 8 plus 0. It is half. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 and 8 cancel, 4. So area of triangle ABC is 4 square units. Okay, area of triangle ABC is 4 square units. Now we have to find out the ratio between area triangle DEF to area triangle ABC is 1:4, because the area of triangle DEF is 1 and the area of triangle ABC is 4. So 1 divided by 4, that is 1:4 is the answer. So in this way we can calculate the ratio between the areas of two different triangles. Okay. So I hope you might have understood whatever I have explained. If you have any queries, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you all of you.